Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best spicy apps to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And firstly, what you have to do is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. If you already have downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course, just follow me. So firstly, we go to a search bar on the Firestick, open it and start typing downloader in the search. And as you can see now, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So just click on it, and here is this orange app, which you need to get to your device. But now, after you got downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up the loader, we go to settings by selecting this button with a gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you need to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see there, for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So then go to developer options, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install known apps, and in here, all you have to do now is locate downloader. Here it is, and turn the option on. So what it does, it is gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is. Let's open it. Wait a moment until it loads. And here is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. And all you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Romania right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below this video, or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. And now let's go back to the list of apps on your device. Let's open it up, And now it's time to start using Downloader. So we go to Downloader, open it up, and here in the search bar we have to start entering the codes to download the amazing spicy apps to your Firestick. Now the very first code that we are gonna enter is gonna be 307888. So once again, 307888. That's the first code that we will enter. Then you click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click on install and just wait until the app gets fully installed to your Firestick device. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And it's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And then we go back to a list of apps on your device. Here it is, let me open it. And here at the bottom you will be able to find the first but not the last one today. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it, and on the right side menu, make sure to press on move to front. And this way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And just like that, we got the first app for you today, and now we head back to the downloader so we can get you even more amazing applications. So we return to downloader, and now the next code that you will have to enter is gonna be 438713. So once again, 438713. That is the second code we are gonna enter today. So click on go, and now let's start downloading the second application. So here you go, the download of second app has started successfully, and then also make sure to install it to your device. And then again click done and delete the unnecessary files from your Firestick. And here already you will be able to find the second app today. We also put it to the front of the list, and then head back to the loader to get some more amazing apps to the Firestick. So you just erase the previous code, and now the next one is gonna be 647190. So 647190, and click on go. Now the download of the third app has started as well. We make sure to install it, and then delete the unnecessary files from your device. Just like that, that was pretty easy. So we already have 3 applications, which we just got for you, and it's not over yet, as we're gonna get you even more applications. So again, we'll go back to the loader, and now the next code we are entering is gonna be 863078. So 863078, that's the code for the app number 4 today. Let's open it up, and now we are already downloading the 4th application today. So as always, just install it to your device. That will take a couple of seconds, and after that, just don't forget to delete the unnecessary files from your Firestick by clicking done, then delete and delete. And now let's quickly go back to a list of apps on the Firestick. Here it is, let me open it quickly. And there is the last app we got for you today. So enjoy those amazing spicy apps on the Firestick, and see you next time. Bye bye.